Kubota deals, we've got this Kubota SVL 65-2. This unit's got a little over 1,600 hours. We'll show you that. A quick little walk around video, then an operations video, and show you this unit in action. We're located up here in Greater of Tulsa, Oklahoma, ladies and gentlemen. We're selling all this for a real good company. Everything I've seen on this equipment, they've taken real good care of it. So tracks are pretty decent, undercarriage is good, all the rollers are up as well, what we can tell. Come into the engine compartment. Runs nice and clean, no blow-by. Nice clean oil. We just added a new battery. We just put it in just now. A Group 31 battery is in there. Just put it in today. So we got a brand new battery. There's the oil, nice and clean. Okay. From our observation, all of the pins and stuff seem to be really tight on this unit. Haven't seen any play. All the cylinders seem to be clean, free and clear of any leaks. Okay. Non-high flow unit, obviously. Just has a standard flow. Okay. Manual quick coupler. Lot 1400 it is, and then the serial number ending on this one is 0253. 0253 on the last 4 digits. Okay, again, lot 1400, 1684.2 hours. We'll go ahead and turn it off and start it back up for you, just so you can see it starts. Starts right up, no issues there. So now, without further ado, two-speed unit as well, guys. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get you a quick little operations video here and let you see this unit in action, all right? As you can see, guys, it all seems to run and work as it's supposed to. If you've got any questions, please give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you very much.